So you just bought a house and you are worried, or you're a homeowner and you're worried about the recent announcement this morning about the Bank of Canada raising rates. What's going to happen? How's it going to affect your mortgage? And what is the future going to look like? All that and more coming up. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Germyn Group's real estate channel, where we talk about everything real estate for home buyers, home sellers, and anybody that currently owns a home. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there so you don't miss any of our videos. And by you subscribing, it also helps other people find these videos that we work really hard on to bring you great content. Okay, everybody, so the sky is not falling. However, the Bank of Canada did announce an interest rate increase this morning of a quarter point, or 0.25%. This is bringing the interest rate, or the overnight lending rate, up to about 0.5%, which is also the first time that they've raised interest rates since 2018, even before the pandemic started. The bank must now contend with inflation and inflation expectations, which have been much higher than they had anticipated and are comfortable with. They noted while they're also monitoring the impact of the Russia invasion of Ukraine on the financial markets and commodity prices, the bank is still expected to continue to tighten, ultimately bringing its overnight rate to 1.75% by early 2023. There clearly is more uncertainty in the global economy right now than when the bank decided to embark on this tightening cycle. That uncertainty is already being reflected in the long-term Canadian interest rates, with the once rapidly ascending 5-year Government of Canada bond yield falling about 30 basis points in recent days. So they had a plan, and who knows if it's going to continue to fruition, but that's some major increases from now till early 2023 if that plan continues to roll out. For now, though, is it really that big of a deal? No. And it is a good thing? Yeah. I mean, we're all paying more money absolutely for everything, and we need to get that inflation under control. So one way of doing that is by raising interest rates. By increasing the interest rates by a quarter point, that only really adds up to about $13 on every $100,000 of borrowed money. It's really not that big of a deal because it's only about $156 extra dollars per year, or $780 over the life of a 5-year mortgage. To put those exact same numbers into perspective, if you took a loan out on a home, or you're in a variable rate mortgage right now and you owe roughly about $500,000 on your mortgage, the numbers aren't that bad. Again, on a $500,000 loan, it's about $65 a month extra, or $780 per year. Now, where these numbers really start to add up is if the Bank of Canada decides to continue to increase these rates and hit that target price that they suggested in early 2023. If they hit that 1.75 mark that they are hoping to by early 2023, that can really start to add up for people. That would be an extra $78 per month on every $100,000 of loaned money. And carrying over into the course of a year, that could be about $936 extra per month for every $100,000. Again, on our example of a loan of about $500,000, that would be just over $4,600 per year extra that people could be paying on their mortgages by early 2023. So here's a little bit of good news. For those of you that are in a fixed mortgage product, there's no change to your mortgage amount because that is the luxury and the beautiful thing about being in a fixed mortgage. The rates don't change until it's time to renew. With that being said though, anybody who is looking to buy and considering getting into a fixed type product, they're going to be taking on the new interest rates of the day. And as the Bank of Canada increases their rates, you're going to see those 5-year fixed rates go up as well. Regardless if you're going to do a variable or a 5-year fix for a new buyer, you're definitely going to be paying more to borrow money moving forward. Now, something you're really going to love for anybody that subscribes to our channel, and if you're watching this, you should be a subscriber, right? Is we are going to start a new series called The Cost of Waiting to Buy, where we are going to look at the cost of housing from a year ago and from 5 years ago and compare it to today, running it by all the mortgage numbers and the changes in the market. By doing this and presenting this, you're going to see exactly what it costs to wait to buy a home in the Surrey, BC, or surrounding areas. Also, we've got a great video on choosing variable rate mortgages versus fixed rate mortgages and everything that you need to know to make a great decision. So we've linked that below, and we'll put a box here somewhere so you can kind of see what that looks like. But you definitely want to check that out because it's a really great video that helps you understand the value in a variable rate mortgage over a fixed mortgage, depending on your situation. And lastly, for anybody out there that's watching this, that's considering selling their home, be sure to pick up a free copy of our PDF linked below in the description called 4 Ways to Increase Your Home's Value by Up to 5% in a Weekend. This is information that we took a deep dive on, researching the absolute best strategies and tactics to make sure you maximize the sale price of your home. So you don't want to miss that one. And if you're a home buyer, we've got you covered too with our PDF on 4 ways to find off-market properties and avoid competing against properties on the MLS. This is great for anybody out there who's been losing in multiple offers, is just tired of it, and wants to find an awesome house and do it more easily. Guys, I'm Darin Germyn with the Germyn Group, where we know you've only got one chance to either buy or sell your next home. So we're here to help you get it right. Don't forget to comment below. Let us know what you think is going to happen with the mortgage market, how it's going to affect the economy, or let us know anything that you want to see further videos on. We love that you watch. We're grateful that you watch, and we hope to see you again soon. If you've ever tried to remember math numbers off the top of your head, it is very difficult. I wonder how boring those Bank of Canada meetings are. You think they're exciting? I'm going with boring.